guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cook with an Italian. Today, traditional English, roast beef. We have raw sirloin, easy, super taste, and amazing roast. We gonna here is my master chef Enrico. Yeah, okay. We need just a bit of raw sirloin. You can find from your butcher or in some supermarket. This is a piece of kilo, and we're gonna need some carrots, celery, onion, garlic, and some fresh herbs, thyme and rosemary. I do the way I do this is like Italian way. I do because here a lot of people they brown it first. I put straight away in the oven. We cook this 180 degree around hour and 10 minutes. When inside I have to check the temperature. I like medium rare, they're gonna be around 55 degrees Celsius. Okay, we start easy way. I make this, some olive oil around, nice olive oil always from my cousin in Puglia. For Enrico my oil is not very special, but you know, for me it's very special. We season it, salt everywhere, even on the fat. I add some garlic powder and some black pepper. We massage it. This is the job, guys, is done. I'm gonna serve this with with some roast potato and roast vegetable and Yorkshire pudding. Later.
Yorkshire pudding, not Yorkshire pudding.
Thank you, Mr. Enrico. And well, listen, Enrico, don't listen to me. Okay, this is done. Now, cut this garlic, all garlic, like in two, like that. Okay? I put on the bottom. Like this. The beef on the top, and all these herbs, the celery, rosemary,
All of the things.
Vegetable. You put around it. Oh, look, it's done. More oil. And now, guys, this one going in the oven 180, 190, around 1 hour, 10 minutes. Later, depend how do you like. Someone like red, blue, medium red, well done. I recommend this medium red is perfect, because if you take it out of the oven when it's 50 in the middle and you cover with aluminum foil, what I'm going to do, that start cooking for another 5-10 minutes and you're gonna have a perfect medium well. Okay, now in the oven, and see you later when it's cooked. I'm going to prepare the potatoes and the vegetable and
Yorkshire pudding.
a Yorkshire pudding. See you later.
You said York.
Okay, guys, the meat is out of the oven in this moment. Now we have to cover with straight away with aluminum foil. We're gonna leave at least half an hour to rest. I wanna put more aluminum foil. Okay, I show you this, but you can put more. You can cover it very well. Okay, this, guys, I cook it for 55 minutes, 180 degrees, because I like medium well. Okay, later up to you. If you like more well, leave a little bit more. If you like more, add a little bit less. My potatoes and vegetable is ready. I use here just salt, pepper, garlic, and paprika, sweet paprika. Now we put 200 degrees in the oven again, 45 minutes, and my lunch gonna be ready. I show you later and we taste later everything. Okay, see you later. Everything is ready. Potatoes just now out from the oven. The Yorkshire pudding is done. Now we take the aluminum foil. Oh, look at that, fantastic. Yes, it's very important. Save this because we're gonna put on the meat, you know, because it's all gonna be dry. Now I want to try is because my son Enrico is hungry. Okay, we cut. This is gonna be. Oh, look there. It's perfect. It's, guys, is perfect. Now, what I want to do is try it. Of course, wow. Of course, guys, on side here, you're gonna put some salt because we put just around the salt, okay? Wow, guys, so much flavor. Guys, always share this video with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Guys, the sirloin, the raw sirloin roast is this with potatoes, vegetable, Yorkshire
pudding.
and my
No, I don't need them.
and my little master chef Enricuccio like this. Yeah! If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao! Hi guys, nice to see you again. Thank you for watching Cooking. Hi, it's nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today, classic English. I don't know, never what is first. But hi guys. No, I stopped.